Well, once more, it's been a rather rainy day. But, you know, it's kind of like that in the spring days. Should be warm the rest of the ride and slightly drier. But I don't know, I might run into that over there. It's kind of going like south east-ish, but more easterly. So I may catch the trailing edge, may not. I don't know. Don't really care. Normally I'd have my rain gear with me, but I don't exactly have it today. I forgot to put it in my saddlebag. Yeah. Early onset senility. It is what it is. Can't really do much about it. At least not anymore. It's actually kind of cool looking, you know. Cumulonimbus cloud. Ooh. It's ominous and dark. Well, that's a contrast. Stormy. Pretty. Stormy. Pretty. Don't mind me. It's been a long day and I'm tired. Yeah. Other than that, you know, same old with me. Nothing much exciting really goes on. I wake up, go to work, come home, repeat day in, day out. And on the weekends, I pretty much sit on my butt. Although this weekend I have to work, because it's my weekend to work. Yay! Blah. Not that it's hard. So all you gotta do is pretty much run around and make sure nothing's leaking. Babysit the building, you know, and whatnot. I have been doing a little bit of a work on our channel lately. If y'all have been watching, you probably noticed our videos are redone in some colorful little thumbnails now. At least the idea was that it'd make it a little easier to tell what they were. Oh yeah. And if you probably haven't already noticed, I have a little bit different attire on today. Yeah. I normally wear my my black and orange jacket, but I got the safety yellow jacket on today because I was, well, reading in some Instagram posts here a couple days ago where I guess there was like a memorial ride for a rider. I think somebody MLC rider in Cincinnati knew. I personally didn't know him, but this has got me a little more paranoid than usual. So I'm trying to be conspicuous. Yeah, since my all black bike doesn't really lend itself to being readily seen. But I hope to change that sometime soon. Man, a little warm. So I was looking at some vinyl wraps from Metro Restyling. After seeing Ramen on Wheels' video where she vinyl wrapped her scooter, figured I'd give it a try. So maybe not using the Amazon Chinese special vinyl. That's what I'm just going to go with there. But something with a little more stretch, like 3Ms and Oracal. Yeah, that kind of thing. but it's going to be quite an effort to get it done, just because I got to take all these body panels off. I do have at least a fender in the basement, well, 2 front fenders that I can kind of experiment with. Well, for one, the one I've got on the bike has a big hole in it from where a rock got under my front wheel and cracked the front or the rear part of my fender off. That's always fun. Not really. So, figured I'll play with those and see if I can get a hang of doing a wrap. But, I don't know. I'm going to do it in some kind of orange because that's kind of the theme of my bike. As you can tell by the powder-coated handlebars and levers, instrument cluster, seat. My rims are powder-coated in orange. Well, I got one of the rims that I powder-coated installed right now. I still have the one I'm using on the front from where I had gotten that flat coming back from Tennessee when I went down to see the eclipse. But that, you know, neither here or there. I still need to go and get my brake reservoir covers redone because the brake fluid was deteriorating the powder coat. So I think I'll try having them done in ceramic coating here next. Maybe that'll have better chemical resistance. I don't know. We'll see. But powder coat is effectively plastic, so you know, I was hoping it wasn't going to do anything, but it did. It would look like my right side mirror light is out again. Well, someone's distracted. Another person on the phone. You can see him in the mirror. Ah. Figures. Yay, almost home. Whee! Yeah, I really don't have anything else to cover, so I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day and keep that rubber side down. Peace.